Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing amazingly well. My name is Abby. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Nice to meet you. I make videos about fragrances and I dabble in other things as well. So today's video is gonna feature a brand that I recently discovered, and I actually feel like they would be an amazing brand to review. It's a French brand, so I'm not gonna really pronounce the fragrances as I don't want to offend anybody or get it wrong. So the brand is called L'Artisan Parfumeur. If that's wrong, I apologize once again. So let's get into this video. So there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 fragrances, including 2 samples that I received. So stay tuned guys. The first fragrance I'm going to talk about is a sample sent to me, and this is called, go on Google, tell them.
Couleur Vanille.
Which
Couleur Vanille.
which means vanilla color in English. So this fragrance, I sprayed it when I received the packaging, and I wasn't a massive fan of it, but let me smell it again now and see if I actually would like it. It's definitely very vanilla, more like a Madagascar kind of vanilla. Bless me, sorry guys. Oh, it smells better today. It has like a green vibe going. It has notes of bergamot, immortelle, and vanilla from Madagascar. So I was right. It's quite but the dry down, it smells like a leaf or tree. It's quite a green dry down, which I don't dislike it. I think it might take some getting used to, but you do smell the vanilla, but it isn't sweet. It's just quite green. That's how I can describe it. It's green and vanilla mixed together basically. So that's what Couleur Vanille is called. Sorry if that's wrongly pronounced, but yeah, it means in English vanilla color basically. So on to the next one. So the next fragrance is also a sample, and it's called Banana. I love this one so much. The name just got me because banana is one of my favorite fruits, and this smells fantastic. I was just taken away by this. Oh, it literally smells like, you know, those baby petroleum jelly creams. It smells like that, with a hint of banana, with a hint of vanilla. It just smells really powdery and yeah, like a baby cream, like a strong baby cream. It has notes of nutmeg flower. I kind of smell that, just a little bit though, tonka bean and banana flower. So yeah, that's just spot on, and it's got a little bit of jasmine in it as well. This is a really rich fragrance. I'm going to get the full bottle really soon. It might actually be creeping up into my top 10 fragrances. That's how lovely this is. So this is once again, this is once again called Banana. Fantastic. Oh, I don't know how long it lasts, but I'm guessing it will last really long because it's an eau de parfum, and I've researched about the brand and they have really good longevity in regards to their fragrances. So yeah. So because I want this video to be as authentic as possible, I've not opened any of the fragrances at all. They're still in their wrapped up packaging, and I'm going to begin with this fragrance that is called T42. And this fragrance has notes of cinnamon, tea, and tobacco. I think that would be a really nice mix. That's why I got this. These are all a blind buy, by the way. I've not read any reviews on YouTube. I mean, I've not watched any reviews on YouTube. I just know about the brand, but none of these fragrances, I wasn't able to find any reviews on them on YouTube. So the packaging is just luxurious. Like, look at that. The bottle is beautiful. I'm scared to smell it. I hope I like it. I love the packaging so much. Right, on to the smell. The scent. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. It smells like cigarettes. This smells like cigarettes. It smells like a perfumed cigarette. The tobacco is very strong. I think this is more masculine than it is feminine. This is not my type of fragrance. However, I would still wear it. I think the dry down might be a lot better, but it hits you with, it's like a tobacco and spicy. It's like a spicy tobacco, basically. I'm not so sure. I'm on the fence about it. It smells, I think it's something that maybe like an older man will probably appreciate. Not sure, but once I test them out, I will come back with a part 2 of all these fragrances to like talk more about it, because I'm going to test it out and see how it dries down. But yeah, this is called T42. So this is the next fragrance. I don't want to pronounce it wrongly, so I'm gonna get Google to do it. Here we go.
L'eau d'ambre.
Again.
L'eau d'ambre.
Which means amber water. I've got high hopes for this one because it has notes of benzoin, patchouli, and tonka beans. I like all 3 notes, especially tonka beans and patchouli, and I'm hoping that this lives up to my expectations. There we go. Same sort of packaging bottle, which is really, really nice. The glass feels really heavy and it's just really good quality. Let's do this. Please don't disappoint me, please. Oh, sorry guys, the ghetto came out. Wow, this is so good. Oh my god, this
L'eau d'ambre.
amber water is fabulous. Oh my goodness, it smells fresh, it smells spicy, it smells sweet, it smells different, it stands out. Wow, it's like really charming and it's quite intoxicating. This is a really, really good. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Like, I had high hopes. I was just like, please, if this one is nice, I'll be happy, even if the rest aren't that nice. I'm really happy about this. It's really, really fantastic. So this is called L'Ombre. Yeah, something like that. This is fantastic. Really, really, really fantastic. The next fragrance, which is this, is pronounced
Piment Brulant.
It translates to hot pepper. So let's see what this fragrance is all about. I've got high hopes, but I wouldn't be so disappointed because I think the last fragrance is blown me away so much. I don't care about the rest anymore now, but I think this will be nice. It has notes of amber, cinnamon, musk, vanilla, dark chocolate, cacao, clove, and chili pepper. So let's do this. Come on, come on, come on. This is definitely hot pepper. This is like really spicy. The dark chocolate really comes through nicely. It just reminds me of a chili powder that smells lovely. It's a little bit green as well. It's This is really different, but I think every single one of the fragrances so far seems to have something in it. I think it might be a secret note, I don't know, but there's something in all of them that makes them, that kind of makes you know that it comes from the same brand, if that makes sense. This is really nice. It might take a little bit of getting used to because I don't really have, most of my perfumes that are spicy tend to have like a musky vanilla to it, so you don't smell the spice so much. But with this, the first thing you get is that spice, is that chili, and it's quite cool. I think I'm gonna have to see how long it would last, and I have to see how it dries down, but it's really nice. I really like it. Something I would definitely wear. So once again, this is
Piment Brulant.
hot pepper. The last fragrance on this list, I think I can pronounce this one, and it is called Drôle de Rose. Don't know if you guys can see it really well, very well. Why is it not focusing? There we go. So I'm guessing this would be a rose-based fragrance. In English, it means funny rose. So let's see. It's got notes of it's got iris, rose, and violet. It's described that it's for a modern girl, and it's supposed to be quite glamorous. It's good for a night out. It's made from like a vintagey rose, and it's got a powdery aroma to it. So let's see if that description actually lives up to the scent of the fragrance. Oh yeah. Oh, this is nice. This is really floral. This is probably one of the best floral perfumes I've ever smelled in my entire life. This is a really elegant rose. This is for a very elegant woman, and just imagine a long white dress, bright pink lipstick, wavy hair, and just stunning shoes. This is like, oh my god, this is really nice. This is definitely for a night out. It just has like a luxurious, I'm expensive, I'm beautiful, I'm sexy, I'm classy. Don't come and talk to me if you don't have all your shit together. This is just perfect. It's a perfect rose fragrance. I'm not really into floral fragrances so much, but with this is perfect. This is so well done. This one with the, I think it's L'Hambre, if I've said that correctly. They are my two favorites out of the four, but my absolute favorite has to be the Banana, which is the tester. I will definitely buy the original bottle, because I'm the bigger bottle, because that is the kind of scent I'm into. I'm really into that kind of scent. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Once again, this is called Drôle de Rose, which means funny rose in English. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it because I think this is the first video of me opening fragrances right here. I think I did it with one of my old videos, but I can't remember which one. I think it might be the Kardashian one, which I will link up there so you can click and check it out. So yeah, I think this is it. I really like this brand. Like, I got all dressed up because it's a French brand, and I thought I'd make myself look like presentable to you guys. Yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's a good brand. It's a fantastic brand, in fact. And if you want to be different, this is definitely a brand to go for. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll certainly see you in my next one. Bye guys, take care, bye.